the latest updates, please subscribe.
हाल ही में महिमा चौधरी को किया गया एक मैट्रेस ब्रांड के लॉन्च पर स्पॉट, जहां उनके साथ दिखी हैं नेहा धूपिया। जी हां, यहां महिमा दिखी ब्लैक रंग की ड्रेस में। इसी के साथ ही महिमा को देखकर साफ पता लग रहा था कि उन्होंने पहले से काफी ज्यादा वेट पुट ऑन कर लिया है। तो वहीं महिमा ने की मीडिया से बात, तो आइए आपको सुनाते हैं महिमा ने क्या कहा।
Mahima, what about you? What's your score on a scale of 1 to 10 on stress?
Today?
No, in life, generally.
Yeah, so for the last 4 years, it's been 10.
Okay, you're the perfect candidate for this.
Yeah. Just to give you an idea, I landed from Agra, I got ready, I did my own hair. It's difficult, okay, the men, I want to tell you, to wash it and to blow dry it and to straighten it. And then I did my makeup in the car. And I was half ready, I was in my chappals, so if you go and see the car, it has bathroom chappals and everything. So I got ready and I have a flight to catch to America and I have not packed at 2 o'clock. So while I'm talking about how one should relax, I'm actually very stressed, so I'm 10. What de-stresses me is shopping. I was just telling her, you know, everything calls out to me, like this mattress is telling me, buy me, buy me. I want to buy it for my mother because she doesn't keep very well and I think it's wonderful. I just stay worried about her oxygen levels, her heart rate, her blood pressure, and right now I'm stressed out because I'm going to be away for a month, and this is absolutely wonderful. This is something I want to get for her. So knowing and being in control is so much better and less stressful. So Magni Flex is, thank you so much for getting this to India.
well, इसी के साथ ही महिमा ने बेटी को लेकर कहा कुछ ऐसा। आपको यह भी बता दें कि ऐसी खबरें रही हैं कि महिमा शादी से पहले ही प्रेग्नेंट हो गई थी। साथ ही उन्होंने शादी भी की, लेकिन शादी ज्यादा लंबे समय तक टिक नहीं पाई और महिमा अब अपनी बेटी के साथ ही रहती हैं। तो आइए आपको सुनाते हैं महिमा ने क्या कहा।
Back in 8 hours of sleep, as per the experts' advice.
Before I used to, but now I have a little one that I send to school and her school begins really early, so I have to wake up at 6 with her. And normally I'm trying to watch Arnab Goswami on television. I can't sleep unless I charge up and I see someone else more agitated than me. So that sort of calms me down. I don't know, it's got a calming effect. But yes, so yeah, he has. Because I feel like there's one person who's more agitated than me and then just calms me and I just see that debate and I slowly reduce the volume.
Or no, I'm sure will not be too happy to hear that.
Yeah,
that he puts you to sleep. Yeah, absolutely.
So that's why I was saying last 4 years I have been stressed because I don't get my 8 hours of sleep. And I need it. And I'm just so happy we're talking about rest for good health. Because everywhere I go it's about running is good for health, yoga, breathing, it's always activity. And this is resting is good for health. First of all, that's really nice. So yeah, I haven't got, for 4 years, I've not been getting very good sleep, but I love sleeping. I love long flights. I love 18-hour flights, 16-hour flights. I just love it. So I'm looking forward to tonight when I'll be on this international flight for 8, 10, 12, 15 hours. I love it. So yeah, I'm so happy. The best sleep I get is when I enter a hotel room and I have that mattress, which is pretty much what you're bringing to India, and there's no sound.
Okay.
So that really gives me good sleep.
Next 9 न्यूज़ रूम की रिपोर्ट।